Welcome everyone. Today we're unboxing and running the Broadway Limited Import GE ES44AC Union Pacific 7400 pink ribbon locomotive with Paragon 4 sound, DCC, and smoke. This is actually one I've been wanting. I'm in the Conductors Club, and this is the one I've been wanting for a while. It is a special locomotive for me because it is a pink ribbon edition for breast cancer. And my wife last year was diagnosed with breast cancer, and I bought this as kind of a tribute to her battle over the last year of fighting this terrible disease. She's doing very good now, and this is just going to be a nice reminder when I get this open to every time I see it, it reminds me of her battle. So here we go. Let's look at it. Part number is 9444 by Broadway Limited. It is a Paragon 4 with Rolling Thunder. Another great locomotive. I am in the Conductors Club. As you see, this is a special edition. So let's get this open. Take a good look at it. I'm excited to see the details on it. They pack them tight too. So there's our typical instructions or flyer of what they've got for sale. The warranty card comes with it. Something that I like that they're doing right now with all the locomotives that I've been buying from them is they give you a nice instruction sheet and how to program the smoke and how to fill the smoke. And another thing they do is they give you all the lube points and the reset procedure on the decoder. Nice little thing they throw in there now. This does have a standard mode lighting, and you can program CV 128 to 2 for standard mode, or you can program CV 128 to 1, and that'll give you pro mode. It gives you a little bit more lighting features, which is kind of cool. And when we test this today, I'm just going to take it out of the box, throw it on there just from its factory default. Paragon 4 operating manual that I always put my little cheat sheet in there with it. And of course, they give you a nice parts diagram. Shows you everything. Typical Broadway Limited, nice quality packing. So let's set these aside right here. Sorry for the sniffles. It's kind of cold here in Ohio today. But let's open this little thing up here. It's beautiful. It's just, Broadway does another thing that I like is that they really pack these things tight. So I'll show you how they pack them up. You can see the pink ribbon there. So I'm excited to see it up underneath the lights and see what this thing looks like. It's great. These are great running engines too. I've got a couple of them. I think you saw one in the video with a Montana rail line. I've got that. But yeah, the way they pack them, give you a little bit about, a little warning about putting them on the track. First, make sure your power's off. Here's, they give you a little funnel right here to fill the smoke up. Now, I've got a bunch of these, but my preference on this particular model is I actually use a syringe to put the smoke in because it's such a small opening. This one looks like it's got a little bit thinner funnel, so I'm gonna maybe I'll try that. Set that aside and try it later. And they come with smoke already in them, so you don't right out of the box they're gonna smoke. And it goes a long way too. That's one good thing I like about it. So there she is. Look how they pack them so that the rails are not going to get damaged. A little bit more of a protective wrap there. So I also save these. If you're buying one of these, save these because if you transport it to a show or something, keep it. But look at that pink ribbon. Isn't that cool? What a nice, look at the detail on these engines, are just beautiful. And if you join the Conductors Club, you get a really good buy on these. So you save a lot of money. And so I'm going to tell you that I highly recommend maybe going to if you're a Broadway Limited person, go to their site and join Conductors Club. So you might want to take a pair of tweezers and like this and just pull them out. It's a little bit easier so you're not your fingers don't break a rail or anything. They do get both sides out. So really all you got to do is take these out. Again, save them. So they're great for transporting down the road. And here we go. Let's take a look at this thing. We'll zoom up here a little bit and take a look at it. But the pink ribbon is beautiful. I love all the details on these. Look, the hoses coming off of it, the coupler, ditch lights, operating ditch lights, all the rails that they put on there for detail. A lot of decals. I mean, a lot of the decals. I wish I could zoom that up a little bit better for the decals, but there's tons of decal. I believe you have just the engineer in here. I don't know if you have anybody else in it. I don't see another one in there. But if you look, you got small decals and details all over. Even down on the fuel tanks. Painted valves. Really nice. Beautiful right there. Yeah, just the details are so nice. Another fine job. I'm real happy to have this one. Just the grills, and I mean, for the money, you're just getting a beautiful engine. Proud recipient of the Coleman Outstanding Volunteer Award. Look at all the hoses on the back. Yeah, there's headlight, the rear lights, grab handles. Don't see anything wrong with it yet. So normally I get these, and I don't know how many Broadway Limited I have, but I have quite a few of them. But usually they come in pretty good. Here's the roof. Here's your fill for your smoke right there. And I think that funnel, it'd probably fit in there. But like I said, I use a syringe a lot of times, really for all my stuff. And then, yeah, right there, just down to here. I like zooming up on here and look at all the detail here too. And it's a very heavy model too. I mean, just for being plastic, and but it's a very heavy model. So I love you can see how the metal is. Just looks like it's like you would see typically on these engines. Dual speakers, great sound comes out of these. Dual drive on this, a lot of power. You have no problem pull. I mean, this thing will pull a ton. On my layout, it'll go. I got a 2 3/4 grade. Does a fine job. But there you go. There's your first look at it. My first look at it. Excellent engine. So I think what we need to do now is go take it over to the layout. Fire it up. I haven't programmed anything. You're going to see it fire up for the first time, just as I will. And we'll take it a lap around and let you see it. Watch how quick it smokes and how well it runs. So hang in there. I'll go take it over and we'll take a look at it. Well, I'm going to let you just listen to this, and I'm not going to talk much on it. So there you go. We'll fire it up, and let's get ready to take it around the layout. Beautiful lights. Look at the inside lights, the ditch lights when you hit the horn. And here we go. Enjoy it. Hey, thanks for stopping by and watching the video and watch me unbox this beautiful engine. That means a lot to me. So, again, I highly recommend these products. They're excellent. They run great. And go out and get you one. Great. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Have a good day.